What's up, y'all? It's your girl Amber Ashli. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, September 18th, 2022, and by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 super simple streetwear looks that you can wear. I'm sure you have similar items in your closet, but the only difference is I'm wearing the same pants and the same shoes. So the pants are going to be the Nineth Closet black leather pants, and the shoes are black boots from DSW. I will tag them down in the description below if you would like to purchase. So we're just going to jump right in. And thank you so much. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. My name is Amber Ashli. I am an independent published fashion stylist, originally from New York. I reside in Connecticut, and on this channel I discuss all things fashion. That includes going to fashion events, vlogging. That includes style inspiration by unboxing and outfits, and also that includes reviews, fashion show reviews, stuff like that. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. I appreciate all the support. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and we're gonna jump right in. So